Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to convert text to speech. But before we do that we need this GTTS module. So you can install that by using pip3 or pip. I install it using pip3 because I'm using Python 3. So at the command line it's pip3 install GTTS, and once you've got that on board we can continue. So we'll just make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so I'm going to create a function called text to speech. Right. I'm going to create a path now to my desktop, which is going to be C users mark desktop. That's my own unique desktop path. Your desktop path is going to be different from this, so you'll have to find it. I'm going to use os.chdr, change directory. I'm going to change directory into that path. Also, you need to import OS as well to use this. Right, I'm going to create a variable called text. I'm going to assign it to input because we're going to get some text from the user that we can turn into speech. So enter text here, tell the user what to do. Then we're going to create another variable called TTS, and this is where we use the module, and we're going to assign that to GTTS there, and then we're going to put text in there, and we're going to give it a language. So the language is going to be equal to EN, which is English. So what this line will do here, it will convert the text to speech, and it will convert that text that's entered in there to English. So made a mistake there, I should have done that. Just pop that in there, EN. Okay, that's better. Right. I'm going to create another variable called file name here. Assign it to input, so the user will input file name, save as .mp3, so we're going to save it as an mp3. So you just input the name of the file, something like text.mp3 will do, and then we're going to do tts.save. Whoa, what am I doing here? Save, and that's file name. Save the file name, and then we're just going to print off a short message to the user telling them that that's happened. I'm going to use format string here. So file saved here, simply the path that we save the file on. Okay, all we have to do now is to call the program, which is called text to speech, and we're going to run that. Okay, got a bit of a problem here. Okay, made a little bit of a mistake there. It shouldn't be capitals, that should be TTS. Okay, that should have fixed it, so let's save that. Let's run it again. Okay, so here we go. It says here, enter text. I'm going to put hello everybody. I'm talking. Okay. Save as an MP3 player and I'm going to text.mp3. Enter. Okay, it's told me the file has been saved on my desktop. Let's see if it has. Okay, so we've got the file here called mp3. Let's open it.
Hello everybody, I'm talking.
There we go.
Hello everybody, I'm talking.
So there we go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.